I would like to welcome everyone who has had their time to come here and join with us for this housing live event. So let me just take you through this event. So a warm welcome to everyone who has joined. And this is Karthik. I'm joining in behalf of housing.com. And this is actually a housing live event where you are going to see the property live. Okay. So because of this unprecedented pandemic situation, what has happened is it has actually put everyone inside their houses and they are not able to come and see the property directly outside. So this is where housing.com has extended their supporting hand to the customers by introducing lots of technologies like AR and VR, which we are able to completely view the property just like how you will go and visualize the property physically. So welcome to you all. And today I would like to introduce you to one of our most prominent channel partners, I would say, Mr. Chennai Property Loans. Hi, sir. And I have Mr. Yogesh Kumar with me, who's going to explain about the project, which is Akshaya Tango again. So I would like to hand over the dais to Mr. Yogesh Kumar and Chennai Property Loans so that they can walk us through the complete project, the location and amenities. So I hope through this particular video call, you will all be able to clearly know about this property details and which will be very helpful for you to take your buying decision even in the future also. Thanks for the panelists for attending this webinar. So Mr. Yogesh Kumar, I'm just handing over the dais to you. Kindly take over. Yeah.
Thank you, Karthik. Right, that was a very pleasant and warm welcome from you. Right, I'm really happy that we are coordinating through Chennai Properties and Property Loans and doing a fantastic program through housing.com. Right, so we are so privileged to reach out to so many people through you guys. Right, and I'm happy that all whoever is looking into this video coverage right now or through webinar. They learn a lot about our property and they can able to definitely get benefited because of this of the program that we are conducting, right? So first of all, Yogesh, I basically
sorry to interrupt before you start, sir. So considering that audience that we are actually catering to, so I would like to inform all the participants that the panelists as well as the host myself, we are comfortable with both Tamil as well as English. So we will be switching between languages. So ரெண்டு லாங்குவேஜ்லயும் நாங்க பேசுறோம், எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் பண்றோம். So hope that will be really fine with the audience as well as us, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Kandipa Karthik will definitely do.
Thank you. Right. Yes, you can start.
So Karthik, we are today talking about a company who has spent around close to 25 years of existence in their 25 years old today, and they're just celebrating this 25th year anniversary, right? So today, as a company called as Akshaya, who has created a history in terms of in bringing in the quality of products that they have whatever they have built till now, and with around close to 106 projects across in both the residential, both commercial buildings as well as hospitality sector. So they have made their marks right at this moment. And we are currently would like to run through a few slides to our.
So meanwhile, can we have a small introduction from Chennai Property Loans also?
Yeah. Hello viewers, Mr. Karthik, Yogesh, you all know me. But the viewers, just to introduce myself, Balaji. I am with the industry for the last 31 years. I am also a wealth manager and I'm handling many of the projects. But I must say proudly, my association with Akshaya started decades back as a channel partner. And I'm traveling with them in all their ups and downs and all their projects which are completed to the satisfaction of the buyers, and it has also been maintained by them in the last for about 10 years from the date of handing over. That has been a unique feature of Akshaya. And Akshaya, to proudly say about Akshaya has been following that ethics in business and coming out with a lot of innovative technologies and with user-friendly apartments completely and whatnot. Whatever you ask for, before even you ask for it, Akshaya used to come out with the user-friendly features for the buyers, and I'm proud. And Akshaya also been legally, all the projects of Akshaya has been approved by different bankers, including the public sector bank and the private sector banks and the NBFC. There will be no hassle in processing the loans also as far as Akshaya projects are concerned, and you will be able to have a satisfactory housewarming as far as Akshaya is concerned.
Great, sir. Great, sir. Thanks for that warm introduction about your company as well as Akshaya. So that speaks volume about the partnership that you have with Akshaya, and that's a really a mutually a great advantageous situation. So yes, Yogesh, Mr. Yogesh, you can start. Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Balaji, sir. Like, and this has been a really great partnership with you for these years, right? Thanks a lot for this thing. So, like, as we speak, like an Akshaya is basically comes with a tagline of uncompromising attitude. So we never compromise with any kind of product or like a substandard product across. So anything that is coming out of Akshaya is like a highly refined product which suits customer needs, which always like elevates their taste and their lifestyle. So anyone who's buying a property with Akshaya is definitely going to have a better lifestyle than whatever they have had it before, and it is a one top notch, a better lifestyle they are getting from their current situation, right? So we are known for our three things, which are pillars, which is basically called as like a passion, principles, and performance, right? So we are ranked at like a #1 real estate developer in Tamil Nadu, and like with more than 160 plus projects across and 24 years of real estate industry, right, which we have turned up into 25 right now. And we work with like very closely with 220 top-notch professionals across the platforms. So to talk about like leading architects and both like in terms of like in lab results or like in the testing centers, lawyers, like when you talk about professionals, we are talking about such. So 220 top-notch professionals across the platform all over the world that we can tie up and they are working along with them. And we thoughtfully crafted residences that stands the test of a time, like in whenever that we do, then we have a very happy customer base of around more than 5,300 customers. And Akshaya is basically known as like in Sanskrit means endless or eternal, in the spirit of perpetuity, and drives the which drives the Akshaya group, right? So our we to few words about our chairman is Mr. Chittibabu, like who basically like had this vision of completely making the real estate industry like one of the most transparent industries across, because it was not when he entered the market, right? So we create a lot of standards, like, and we make sure that the transparency and the legal system, whatever that we follow, should be the highest level, so that like we will be there. The customer who's buying with us will always have that safety net with them, that they don't want to go out and hustle with any third-party agents to look into whether the document is right or not, right? And the quality of the product. He being a civil engineer, he made sure that the building that he built is also like it's in a better quality, right? So the journey of Akshaya started from in 1995 as a structural Akshaya Structurals, and from there in 1997, like from individual houses that we've been building, or like in the bungalows with around 10,000 plus square feet of houses that we have started building. From there, we went into Akshaya Homes, and then in 2000 we converted ourselves into a private limited company with the name of Akshaya Homes Private Limited. And once we started doing our resorts and hotels across, like, and we thought it should also have one more subdivision with us and subsidiary company, Akshaya Hotels and Resorts Private Limited. And then once we started doing different streamlines in the real estate industry, we felt that we should be having a single tagline, single name for the company, and homes, which basically making sure saying that like, and we are only building homes. So now we wanted to have a single name so that we can able to have a platform across so that we can able to be involved in residential, commercial, and leisure, all the brands that we wanted to be. So we made 2008, we made it as an Akshaya Private Limited. In 2011, we rebranded ourselves as an Akshaya Uncompromises. And in 2013, we started a new home is called as like an Akshaya Signature Home. And similarly, we launched our first plotted in 2016 called as Akshaya Earth. And then in 2017, we business focused into 5 verticals, and 2019 we used into 2 low-cost home category, right? So we growth rate was from Akshaya from 1995 to 2020, right? And even now, it is like in very streamlined, and we have gone in a direction, right?
Mr. Yogesh Kumar, sorry to interrupt you. It would be great if you are much more audible, because I think your voice is a bit lower. Yeah.
Okay. So we are like in mainly Akshaya is always like in coincided with residential developments, but like in along with it, like in we also have different categories. We are into commercial, hospitality, senior citizen homes, educational institutions, IT, water development, villas, retail, healthcare, and industrials. Right. So these are the different platforms where Akshaya has went out and built in all these spaces. And total residentials in the last 25 years that we have done is close to 17 lakh 57,484 square feet, and plotted developments of 12 lakh square feet, and commercial of 1 lakh and 84,000 square feet, and service apartments of 1 lakh 28,000 square feet. So total we have done more than 1 crore square feet of construction space is being built by Akshaya in the years of like in 25 years till now. The DNA of Akshaya is basically compromise of these things, which is transparency, empower, right, and then the quality, legal and document, like in the best legal documentations that you can find, innovation, and the customer first approach, right? So this is the DNA of Akshaya, and we basically like can work along with this with DNA platform. So these are our like in leading partners that we work across. So awards and accolades, like in when we talk about it, we have a best legal system award by CNBC and itself for the 4 years in a row. Then we have the highest transparency award from CNBC and CRISIL, and the Provoke Awards of 2019 ranked Akshaya Builders as #1 builders across the platform. And we have building like in all our homes right now are IGBC certified, Indian Green Building certified homes that we are building currently, and most of our projects are like in pre-certified IGBC buildings. So from here, in every 160 projects what that we have built till now, and everything is of a unique projects. So each will have like a uniqueness of individuality, both commercial and the residential. None of the models basically represent other, right? So so innovation, like in we brought the first hanging swimming pool to Chennai with in a project called as 36 Carat in 2010. And in we built the 8th floor with a hanging swimming pool, an infinity pool in 2013, and anti-current pool in 2012, and a squash court in 2006. Like in, these are the first industries which is an innovation brought from Akshaya to India. Right, so Vidyar is a building that you can definitely look around and find it near Mambakam, where every glass, 436 pieces of glass is imported from Spain, and all these glasses are of unique sizes and unique color, and this is arranged in such a way so that like it represents all the colors in the GR. Okay. So so these are our individual apartments and spaces that we have. These are our projects which are IGBC certified projects, right? So the Rubik Square, Bow, Level Up, 36 Carat, Bildar, WIPGR, January, Shanti, today Oceano, Tango, Republic, Avicii, all these are our IGP certified projects. So the transparency is the key for Akshaya, and like we provided with the maintain the highest standard here. So I right now our project which is called as Akshaya Tango, which will be which is the project that we'll be discussing right now.
Sure, sir. That was a very, very good explanation about the brand and what Akshaya does. So it would be great if you can take us to the project location. So mostly we all know that home buyers invest more in location other than the project. So can you please explain us the advantages of the location where it is situated?
Definitely. See, Akshaya Tango is it is basically it's an on-road property in Thuraipakkam, right? So which is just if you look into it in this Tango as a location, I believe everyone can able to see the map that I'm showing now. So this is Akshaya Tango, which is just on road of OMR, the 3.87 acres land parcel. You will be finding it here, and just 300 meters from the Perumudi toll gate. So the toll gate is over here, which is just 300 meters from the Perumudi toll gate. Akshaya Tango is, and from this location we'll be having the next to Tango is a BSR mall in the car over here, which basically holds Cinepolis Theatre and a huge we have a mall with a Cinepolis Theatre of 7 screens theatre. Everything comes in this space, right? So and this location it's a quite hot spot because from here any location that we're talking about, any workspace, we have around 7 reputed schools around this from Tango within just 100 to 200 meters to around 1.2 kilometers. We have close to 7 reputed schools in space. So we are talking about Indian Public School, Chaitanya Techno School, Chinya Vidyalaya, Bala Vidya Mandir, Shishya, APL Global School, Abacus Montessori, right? So all reputed schools with CBSE international standards are basically available in this location. Right. So from this place, in the airport is just 13 kilometers from Tango. This is the Pallavaram Rail Road over here. This road will reach out to airport straight away, and from here we'll be RMZ Linea, SP Info City, or World Trade Center, which is coming over here toward there. So this is an apt space for an working environment for anyone who's working in these spaces in this location, because it's an heart of OMR. Right? So close to 1.5 to 2 lakh plus people work within 3 kilometers from this location. So which makes it one of the most wanted location in the space, right?
That's great, sir. So you mean to say that it is very good for end users as well as the investment market, right?
Definitely, right? So you see, this is a space where for an investor, we can able to expect for a studio apartment of 20,000 rupees rental, right? Which is a market rate itself. And someone who wants to buy a property in Nadir, who has to sell out minimum 16,000 rupees per square feet, or in someone who's in or Tiruvamur 12,000 to 14,000 rupees per square feet. But in Thuraipakkam, just around where Tango is, it is only 3.2 kilometers from Tiruvamur and 4 kilometers from Adyar. Right? So what makes it makes a most sought out space, and you can able to buy it at half the price of what you get it in Tiruvamur and Adyar.
Great.
Sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt, Karthik. Add to this. Add to Yogesh whatever he says. as an investment, right? Okay, because in the biggest drop in prices when compared with the adjacent areas of Adayar or your Thiruvanmiyur, which he says putting about 16,000, 12,000 and that, or if you go to step down to ECR Neelangarai and where it quotes more. Okay, and apart from this investment angle or for the end user, even as an investor, this can be projected even for the senior citizens because of the near adjacent walkaway distance to the hospitals.
Right.
On the sides of Tango, and also user friendly. The reason being upcoming metro, which is coming up, and metro and more extension of OMR up to Siriseri. As an investment, if you look at it, with more than 1.5 million people, 1.5 lakhs people traveling between this Thorapakam and Radial Road in the vicinity of Akshaya Tango, that is an added investment return point of view. And apart from that, you do have another facilities. Supermarkets are there, as he says, malls is there, supermarket, multiplex, everything is there just in a walkable distance.
Very true, sir. Very true.
And the price point of view, this is the only project which is available, ready to move in, available apartments in that vicinity right now. Because most of the customers, most of the buyers are now looking for a ready to move in properties. Okay, just to get occupied. And for that, this is the only project. And the price point of view, the Akshaya Tango, the price point of view when compared with other neighborhood builders and neighborhood projects, for the completed projects, if you compare with the neighborhood projects and their cost sheet and their payment schedule and the handing over time, the interest cost for the next 3 years and the price point of it, and all those things, if you compare, the price of Akshaya which is being quoted is the best price offered now.
Excellent,
for
sir.
the best quality.
Awesome, sir. Awesome. So we will come to the pricing later. So once the unit is being explained, then we'll come to the pricing. So yes, Mr. Yogesh, you can take us through the unit and project.
Great, yeah. Thank you. So, I would like to run through, in the video, walkthrough video of the project, right?
Welcome to Tango. Elegant homes that embrace you. Akshaya, India's most awarded real estate developer, presents Tango. Inside the city limits, Tango rises at Thuripakam on Old Mahabalipuram Road. Tango, Akshaya's 155th project, is a rare combination of residential homes, retail space, commercial space, coffee shop, and a state-of-the-art clubhouse, all elegantly woven together. Enter into a work of art that portrays a striking interplay of design elements inspired by Tango. As you drive into the ample parking area, be taken aback by a beautiful facade that combines colors and patterns that wish to strike a connection with you. Tango is a towering beauty that marries the art of tango to the craft of it. And its picturesque garden poses sculptures that depict tango's movements. Stride in through an inviting corridor that welcomes you into your home of elegance. Welcome to a plush living room that moves your heart and soul. Share your dining space with a loved one against a scenic backdrop of the city. You will love to cook lavish treats in the sleek, modern kitchen. Or you will simply stretch and laze around in the glory of the compact bedrooms that have been artistically designed with the fabric of space in mind. have an intimate time, take delight in the king-size bedrooms that come adorned with a plush bathing space, and create that perfect environment for your child to learn while at home. Enter the plush commercial block of Tango and find an intriguingly designed lobby that holds together contemporary design features sure to take your breath away. Here, a state-of-the-art clubhouse sits modestly, replete with chic library cum lounge. And here, silence will steal the show. A creatively designed conference room will let you organize important meetings and discussions. A modern mini theater will let you unwind with a blockbuster. And a lavishly designed multi-purpose hall will let you bring on the celebrations in style. At Tango, you will invite your loved ones for a game of squash. You will treat yourself to invigorating sessions at the exquisite sauna. Or burn those calories in an aesthetically designed steam room. Only at Tango will you sit back and enjoy a cup of coffee while indulging in a variety of indoor games. You will flex your muscles and move your body at the fully equipped gym. Or you will simply take a dip into the plush waters of the swimming pool to calm your mind. Here at Tango, you will reminisce the joys of childhood as you see your child play in the children's play area. Or you will simply relive those memories by engaging in a game of basketball or tennis. So come, take a long walk in the beautifully landscaped garden at Tango. Akshaya, the leader in innovation and design, brings you yet another eloquently designed Crystal Star rated and IGBC pre-certified silver green home that moves your heart and soul. Let the connection begin.
Great, sir. The video was very good, Mr. Yogesh.
Yes.
So we actually we were hearing lots of new amenities like that IGBC certification. Can you explain about all those things? So what are all the amenities of this apartment, which is very unique to other apartments? Yeah.
Yes. See, if you look into it, like in the Tango is an IGBC silver certified building. So IGBC is called as like Indian Green Building Council. So they have set up a certain standard, like in when a builder can be building can be a green building, like in which is it should not harm the mother nature, right? Anything that is being used in the community has to be recycled and has to be like being taken very care of over there. Energy consumption should be very less. Right? So similarly, when we are talking about like the Tango has a project will be coming along with WTP and STP, sewage treatment plant within the property, which is an eco-friendly movement from our side. So that like any kind of a sewage, we will not dump it directly into the the storm or the drains, sewage drains outside to the corporation. But we first thing again, we basically through the STP process, it is processed. Then the water from it, like in the liquid waste is treated, and that will be sent again for a flush tank, right? Which is again used. So and solid waste has been transported outside. So once that has been done, again we will be getting and also for the gardening purpose. We will be using the STP water for that, and we have WTP also. So the water that we are getting, even it is a saline water, right? So there is always a scope thinking that the OMR doesn't have water. Groundwater is not available. But think in a sense, there are a lot of places in OMR where the groundwaters are really good. So one of those space is basically where the Tango is right now. right? So we have groundwater here, but obviously the saline level is high. So for that we have a WTP system which will treat those water and bring it to a permissible level for a domestic usage. And right now we are also getting a corporation water connection, like or a metro water connection from the desal plant. So from Nemili, which will be available for the property in the main road itself. So so we have inbuilt, we have already done all the connectivities, so that there is one of the taps in the kitchen will supply metro water for the families, so that we are future ready for any kind of things coming up. It is always ready for them to go for. And when we are talking about kitchen again, like there will be piped gas line for all the apartments in Tango, so that when they don't want to depend on the gas usages from outside. So there will not be a delivery person coming to the home, or you have to be, because when we are talking about a space like and where everyone wants to are working minimum 12 to 15 hours a day, or like in this scenario, we don't want to have a huge interaction from an outside person coming to the home and delivering a cylinder. Right? So for the safety reasons, also for any kind of future, we are bringing this what is it? The pipe gas line system. So which will be like with the gas meter that will be reading being taken, it will, from the agency you will directly pay to them. So in that way that runs it. So and now from there, like and once we talking about the home will have an power backup of 1 kilowatt. So which allows the apartment owner to have all these electric appliances running with a 5 amps plug, and one of the ACs will also have a power backup in a regular apartment. And over like when we are inside, you will be having video to our phone connectivity and inside the property, so that they can able to see who is coming to their apartment, and they can talk over the video to our phone itself, and only if it's necessary they can open the door, or they can talk. Like a lot of kids are being has been as I earlier told because of the school, right? So young parents are here. So if you are a sports lover, if you love outdoor activity, Tango is a space to go for, because out of this 3.7 acres land parcel, 78% is an open area. Right, on these open areas, we have full-fledged basketball court, a tennis court, a 600 meters of a jogging track, a kids play area, and a huge garden in the front with a walking track. Right. So all these.
How much percentage units do it offer, sir?
Yes, we have started moving, and we are expecting by means of this December, before December, more than 50 families to be available in Tango, and by January, like, we should be more than 100 plus families moving.
Excellent, excellent, sir. So how do you do the site visit, sir? So in case if I'm a client, I'm really interested to travel, even though there is a widespread pandemic situation now and everybody is afraid to come outside and see the apartments, right? So if I wish to come and see, what are all the safety features that you offer?
From our side, what we do is like we arrange, if you wanted a cab, we have a completely sanitized cab from Akshaya. We don't source from outside. So sanitized cab from Akshaya will be sent to your home for your safe travel to the property. You don't want to depend upon your public transport, or if you come by your own car, we make sure that all our offices inside the property is always sanitized.
Great.
We make sure that like our housekeeping is in top notch of coming down and treating it. And we have a policy of like once we move out into model house, right? So it is like that is we make sure the customer doesn't touch us anything. So only contact will be like from the salesperson who goes and opens up all the doors. We'll make sure like that kind of assistance is always given. Even the lift operation is done only by the salesperson. So when customer comes in, we'll make sure that they come in, how they drop from their home, they can go back safely as such, because there will not be any contact from the customer. Everything else will be taken care by the salesperson accompanying them. So we make sure everything is sanitized, and the salesperson also gets sanitized with him every time that he's accompanying him. And we are seeing more walk-ins right now, right? So that is the quality of people who walk in and they immediately book. right? That is happening because they see property which is finished condition, they like it, they book it for it. So the bookings have become quite closer, like it is becoming 3 days, 4 days, a family makes a decision and go for booking, right? So that is how this has increased.
Sure, sir. Great. Can we now see the unit?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So we'll take you to an actual unit of Tango.
Yes.
Hope everyone is able to see this.
Yes, yes, we are able to see it.
So this is a 2.5 BHK. We also call it 3-bedroom with 2 toilets. We will be talking about so 3-bedroom with 2 toilets. This is how the concept of this particular apartment is, where we will be having a French window with the grill here, and the balcony comes as a spacious balcony, and we'll be getting a 2-floor ceiling height in every balcony, right? So that like enable to have a better ventilation.
Okay.
Right. So that is one of the specialities, and as you can see, the balconies will be alternatively placed in every. So the living dining space this is, which is of a size of 14 by 20. And the kitchen that we provide is an open of 8 by 5. And the kitchen is also like in one of the biggest kitchens that you can able to find across.
Yes. What about the flooring? So I'm able to see that it is tiles, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the size of the tile?
It's a 2 by 2 vertified tiles from Johnson.
Okay.
Right. So as you can, this is the kitchen area that we are speaking about. Right. So
I can see there are lots of surrounding buildings around the project.
yes. So those are like in the still plus 1 or still plus 2 apartments. Like in once we cross it, about that, like in all our residential properties behind. So this is a master bedroom with a size of 15 by 12, and you get a wooden flooring in the master bedroom.
Okay.
And the bath is like in one of the biggest baths that you can be able to find is the size of 9 by 6. And all the electrical fittings and will be of Anchor, and you will be having the bathroom fittings will be of American Standard and Krogate.
Okay.
The other bedroom of 10 by 12. So I'll also show you one of our completed kind of furnished apartment.
Wow. That would be
in Tango. This is a 3.5 BHK, 2022 square feet apartment. So as a variant, like we have units starting from compact 2 BHK of 708 square feet, and then 1020 of 2 by 2 BHKs, and 2.5 of 1600, and a 3 BHK of 1700, and a 3.5 of 2022, and a 4 BHKs of 2400 square feet.
So what is the pricing band, sir? So what is the starting pricing band and the highest
starting bandwidth is basically starting from 58 lakhs.
Yeah.
And it goes up to 2.53 crores.
Excellent. So right now we are going to see, we are seeing the 2.5 CR apartment, right?
Oh, this is a 2 crore apartment.
2 crore apartment. Okay. So this is the model apartment which we will be able to see once we come to the site.
Yes. Once the customer visits the site, they can able to see this model out in person.
Great. Okay. So what about the maintenance charges, sir?
So maintenance will be a 3 rupees per square feet for the property.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the model house as we are seeing right now. And this is exactly like the 2.5 BHK, the actual apartment that we saw. As you see here, this is a teakwood door, which is one of the biggest in the segment of 7x4. The size of the main door is 7x4. It's a teakwood door that you will get. And once you enter a foyer of 6x6, 14x20 of living and dining, open kitchen over here of 10x30.
So you do support in case if the customers are asking for interior design.
Yes, sir. We have an internal team in Akshaya itself who will be supporting for the interior designing.
Great, great, great. And I had a small doubt about the construction technology that you use. Is it a Mivan construction or a brick construction?
It's a brick construction. We have an RCC framework, and with being the walls has been built through the brick. It's not a Mivan technology.
Great. Okay.
So that like your home is always better insulated. In summers, you will not feel the heat. In winters, your home is warm.
Sure, sure.
Because walls can breathe.
Correct.
So this is the master bedroom that we are talking about. So currently the compact 2 BHK, the 58 lakh segment is sold out. So we have units starting from 1.3 crores. So it's a bedroom of 10x12.
Okay. So this is the smaller bedroom, right?
Yes, sir.
And we don't have an attached toilet for the
attached toilet for this bedroom. And every bedroom will have 2 windows for cross ventilation.
Okay.
Because none of the homes in Tango are wall shared. Everything, all the apartments here are like an independently spaced.
Great, great. That will give utmost privacy to our clients.
Yes, exactly. Right.
Excellent. So let us now discuss about the pricing and what is the support that we will get in case if I'm ready to purchase a house from Akshaya regarding housing loans or discounts during this period, pandemic period. Yeah.
See, the pricing is basically, this is how the ticket sizes of Akshaya Tango will basically falls in. Starting from an 2 BHK 1.2, 2.5 workspace, which is 1.4, and a 3 BHK of 1.6. And
it's an all-inclusive price, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yeah.
It's an all-inclusive price.
Yes, it's an all-inclusive price. Without the except registration, every other cost is included.
Okay.
Right. So what we are doing currently, like we are running this month, we have a special campaign as we see that this is the 25th year anniversary of Akshaya. We are providing an exclusive discounts for the customer, an offer for a customer who's walking into the site. Right. Definitely would encourage everyone to come down and see the property in person and make the decision. That offer is there that we are running. They can able to get up to an 250 rupees per square feet of a discount.
Do we have any banks that have already tied up with Akshaya?
See, we have very closely worked with like an ICICI, HDFC, Axis, SBI, AIC, right? So all these bankers are like working at very closely with us.
Sure.
Awesome. So we have tie up with more than 22 plus banks and NBFCs. So
sure.
So if you look into it, like as a project, like in the few things which is there here is, sir, as Balaji sir has already mentioned, so
Yeah.
Tango is here. And we have a Thoripakam railway station coming up in exactly in the same space, right? So it's one of the better area for someone to buy for a future usage also. It's great investment as well as for an own use. Someone is looking in, this is a better space for commuting to any. So these are the basic design advantages that the customer will get. None of the homes will be like in facing elevator or a staircase. No wall sharing. Double plastering advantage the customer. There is no seepage will be inside the property. Car parkings will be in the basement. AC copper piping and the service platforms are done for installing AC. It will not be any hassle for you doing that. And we have a better rainwater harvesting system across the project. So, Karthik.
Yes, sir.
As far as buyers are concerned, I really feel now this is the best time with the best price, and coupled with the 25th year anniversary offer from Akshaya. And apart from that offer, the price which they are quoting as a box price is really can be compared with any of the other neighborhood builders who are yet to start the project. And it is not going up to come to the stage of basement. But whereas this has been completed and ready to hand over, and they are ready to take a possession, and bank interest rates are also at the lowest in the last 20 plus years. And all the banks, as a corporate DSA for bank loans, this has been approved by all the banks. Almost as Yogesh said, it is approved by more than 20 plus banks, and I'm dealing with the 14 plus banks. And 6.9 is the rate of interest, and they can go up to a loan of percentage of 85% to 90% also, depending on the purchase cost.
Great.
Best price and best location and the best budget and the quality from the best builder.
Great. And I think Mr. Yogesh also mentioned there will be lots of discounts that will be offered owing to Akshaya's anniversary celebrations. So
Yes.
let us look forward. So we have some audiences with us. So I was just waiting for some of our audiences to ask if they have any queries or questions related to Akshaya Tango. So seems like we did not have any questions. So audiences were very clear about this. So great, sir. So it was really a pleasure hosting you both for this particular housing live tour. So I wish all the best for Akshaya Homes as well as Chennai Property Loans. Thanks a lot for joining with us. Thanks a lot. And we are hoping for a long-term association with you both. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Balaji. Thank you, Mr. Yogesh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. It is our pleasure.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Balaji, sir.
Sure, it's my pleasure. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Yogesh. Any questions, Karthik?
So as of now, we did not have any questions. So possibly audience will come back to us. They might directly
I
contact
think
you.
there is one person called Prabhu Goswami asked there is any available ground floor apartment.
Yes. So yeah,
Tango.
he's asking the availability, sir.
So availability wise, like in Tango, we don't have any ground floor apartments. The apartments basically starts from the first floor. The ground floor is always reserved for a car parking.
Car parking. Great.
Right. So we have 3 levels of car parking: basement, stilt, and the basement 1, basement 2, and stilt. So our availability wise, like in we have close to 25% of 250 units are available for sale right now. 25% we are sold. So if you are walking in now, you can able to really, you have a lot of choices to look into it, whether in terms of floors or facing of an apartment. You have choices today. You can definitely for the next 1 or 2 months, definitely will have choices. But I'm not sure whether after December, you will have that kind of a choice available in Tango. Because we are looking forward with that kind of an customer bookings that we have, with the kind of bookings that we are happening, we might have very less unit by start of next year.
Sure. Hope that would have answered Mr. Prabhu's question. So yes. Sure. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for your time. Thanks a lot for spending your precious time with housing.com. So let us hope for the best. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.